I'm going to tell you guys how I plan my gaming PC builds. The first step is typically figuring out your overall budget. The next step may seem a little out of order, but I usually like to pick my case next because depending on the case size, that will determine your motherboard size, power supply size, how big of a GPU you can fit, how you can cool your CPU, and so much more. Next, I like to pick my CPU out. This will also help you determine what motherboard chipset and also what generation of RAM you're going to need. And after that, it's a good time to pick out your cooling solution, whether it's liquid cooling, tower cooler, or just a stock cooler if your CPU comes with one. Next, I'll pick out my storage. I'm usually going to go with an NVMe SSD like this 1 terabyte. Next up is often a scary part for some people, picking out the power supply. I'm going to leave some general rule of thumbs for typical price ranges to power supply, but something like the 650 watt would be great for this build. Now, with whatever budget I have left, that is definitely what I'm going to be putting towards my graphics card so I can get the best gaming performance.